No mai, welcome, welcome. Hey, are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? It must be toy time. Hoake tātou.
Tama and Jojo, Māia, on marimba, and we got Anika, Māia, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toy Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Māia, Tama, Jojo, Anika. Toy time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Welcome, I'm Tama and this is... Oh, my whānau are usually here waiting to say hi. E te whānau, kei ia koutou? That's weird. Mōhio.
Tēnā koe, Tama. Our fun is looking a little emptier today.
Mōhio, have you seen everyone?
Kei konei mātou!
Oh, hey!
Kia ora, I'm Jojo. And I'm Māia.
I'm the cuddliest wolf in town, called Wolfie Aho.
And I'm Oma. I'm a dancing rāpiti. Kua rite koutou.
Yeah, let's dance.
All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. Take a closer look, you'll be surprised at what you find. All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. On the ground and in the trees, let's open up our eyes. Did I just see a hedgehog scurry on the ground? Look, is that a bellbird making such a lovely sound? Creepy crawly weather, see it climbing up that tree. There I see a taka hare with something in its beak. All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. Take a closer look, you'll be surprised at what you find. All the things that you might see when walking through the forest. On the ground and in the trees, let's open up our eyes. See that tuatara, it's sunbathing on a rock. Nearly squished a hoo-hoo grub that gave me quite a shock.
one, you're making a trunk. You're an elephant.
Go, Tama.
Oh, we're pretending to be animals. Can you guess what I am? I'm eating leaves from a very tall tree. Nom, nom, nom.
Ha! You're a giraffe. Hey, Mōhio, would you like to play?
Okay, tell me what animals make this sound.
Mōhio, you gave us such a fright.
Do you know what animal made that sound?
Could you play it again, Mōhio? A little quieter, please.
Oh, we know that one. That's a raiona, a lion.
Mōhio, you are the best at playing animals.
I wonder what other kararehe we will find today.
Well, let's find out. Oh, where? I see something.
Where?
Over here.
Whoa! That animal has sharp teeth and a long nose.
It has 4 legs. Ooh, and a long tail too.
What animal is this?
A crocodile!
How do we sneak past a crocodile?
I know. What if we crouch low to the ground and then he can't see us?
Good idea. Hey, look! A black and white horse.
That's not a horse. It has stripes.
Ah, a stripy horse.
Oh, Jojo, that stripy horse is called a zebra.
Ah, I've never seen a zebra before. He tino mihara tēnā.
I love finding new animals. Let's see what else we can find. Come on, partners. Yeehaw!
Yeehaw!
Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back on another mean adventure. Today I'm at Pop King's and we're gonna go exploring. Come on. Come on, my cuzzies. Let's go. Whoa, check this out. Oh, which one am I gonna pick? Fiddle, kōwhai, red, yellow. No, mini, money. Kōwhai. We're gonna go kōwhai whānau. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, come on, cuzzies, let's go. Whoa, check this one out. There we go. We'll put a ball in here. Ready to go. Yeah. Who wants some? Oh my gosh, this place is so cool. Come on, let's keep exploring. I love trampolines. Wow, I can bounce really high as well too. And I can do tricks. Watch this one. Whoa! Whoa, yeah. Have a good day, cuzzies. Ka kite.
We're going on a weta hunt.
And we're gonna catch a big one.
And it's such a beautiful day. Will you come too? Hoa ke tātou.
We're going on a weta hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look! It's some long grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We got to go through it. Swish, 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 swish.
We're going on a weather hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, it's Manuka scrub.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go around it. We've got to go through it. Swish, swash, swish, swash, swish, swash, swish. We're going on a weather hunt. We're gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared. It's a beautiful day. Oh, look, a deep, dark cave. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We can't go through it. We've got to go in it. Step, 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 step. Uh-oh. It's dark in here. I feel something. It's on my leg. It's on my back. It's a winter!
Hurry back through the Cody trees. Oma, Oma, Oma. Back through the Manuka scrub. Swish, swash, swish, swash.
Back through the long grass. Swish, 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 swish. Oh, whew. Back home safely. Phew, that was close.
Anna, Titiro, I've created Safari World. Here's the tree for the animals to eat. And here is the water hole for the animals to drink. Now, all I need are some bigger kararehe, some bigger animals. Oh, I wonder who that could be. Who's there?
It's Wah.
Wah. Wahoo.
Wahoo, it's good to see you too.
Well, wahoo, it's good to see you, Buzz. Woo! Hey, do you want to see what I've made?
Yeah. Let's go.
Come and see what I've made.
Oh, Māia, ka wanike. This is an amazing safari world. Oh, you've got a water hole as well? Oh, my goodness.
Thanks. Well, I thought that all the animals could go there to bathe and to drink.
That's a great idea.
Nō reira.
Oh, look what I brought. I brought a tiger.
He taika.
I brought an elephant.
He arewhana.
And I brought a giraffe.
Takakiroa. Karawe. Oh, these animals will love to play in Safari
Oh,
World.
taiwa. These are special animals.
Oh, me pēhea.
Oh,
How?
I'll show you. So, if I take the head of a giraffe and put it on the body of a tiger, I get a geiger.
Okay. If I take the head of the elephant and put it on the body of the giraffe, I get a jellyfin.
Yes!
Hello, Mr. Geiger. Would you like to come and see my water hole?
I would love to see your water hole.
Come on, then.
Check it out.
Ah, look. I've been working so hard on my mara that my hands are paru. Dirty. I better wash them before I prepare lunch. Right, water on. I'm going to wash the palms and the fingers. And a good friend of mine told me that if you sing happy birthday, then that's a good amount of time to wash your hands. I'm doing mine in my head.
Cool.
See? Nice and clean. Now I can get on with lunch.
Hi.
That's it.
We're at a doggy daycare. It's where puppies come for the day.
I like big puppies. Is this for Buddy? Hello.
If you let them come to you, just super gentle and quiet, because they're only babies.
Like this one? You like it?
Puppy likes to play with toys.
They like things to chew and they like things to pull.
You're so cuddly.
That's why we love puppies. Look at that. They make you smile.
My favourite puppy is the brown one.
My favourite puppy was probably the little white one.
Good job, guys. Well done.
Bye!
Here, try this. Picky, picky.
Oh, yeah. Picky, picky. Oh, that's fun. Picky, 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 picky. Call me Wolfie Rapity. Picky, 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 picky.
Yeah, you would make a great rapiti, Wolfie.
That's hard mahi, Oma.
It's easy when you're a rapiti. But tell me, how does a wolf move?
Oh, like this.
Oh. Awoo! I like that, Wolfie.
And this Wolfie has one special move. I like to cuddle.
Oh, yes, please.
That's easy. It's cat.
Not just any cat, this is a big cat.
Oh. Oh. It's a lioness, isn't it? A big female raiona.
Getting closer, this animal does look like a lioness, but it also has
Dots on its skin. It's a cheetah.
not dots. This big cat has stripes.
Oh, it's a zebra cat?
Well, I guess it is a zebra cat. I'm drawing a tiger.
A tiger. There's no such thing as a zebra cat.
It was a funny guess, though. Titiro, we've got a new video message from Lola. I wonder what she's going to show us today.
Hi, everyone. We have two pets. One called Daisy and we've got a puppy called Peaches. They're really good companions and they're really loyal. It's kind of like having friends, a furry. Having a puppy can be crazy. Puppies try to steal people's belongings. They try to steal my shoes, my princesses as well. My dogs love treats. Most of all, my dogs love playing. Having dogs are really fun as well. Bye.
Pounce. 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 Oh, pounce.
What you doing?
I'm pouncing.
What's pouncing?
It's what wolves try to do when they're trying to catch something.
Pouncing looks a lot like hopping.
Oh, you're right, Oma. You'll be good at pouncing.
Pounce.
Oh,
Oh, I pounced on a purerehua.
whoa. And a tahua one too.
Oh, I've had so much fun learning the different ways that different animals move, Wolfie.
And we've listened to all the animal sounds too.
Hey, Wolfie, what's the kupu Māori for? Wolf?
Oh, it's Wuruhi.
Oh, well, you're my favourite wuruhi.
And you're my favourite rāpiti.
Oh, we were just about to have story time. We love reading stories. Summer is coming. No more screen time, calls Jade and Nico's mum. Summer's coming and we're going to grow sunflowers. Jade's very busy on her mum's laptop. Michael, whispers Nico to Jade. Oh, come on, you two. Out now, says their mum. Sunflowers. Their mum points at a massive yellow flower on a packet. Nico wants the laptop, not a silly flower. Soon, Jade and Nico have planted at least 40 sunflowers. Now we wait, announces their mum. Wait? Oh, no one told Jade about waiting. When their mum is on her phone, Nico and Jade find the laptop and hide in their mum's wardrobe. Finally, it's Nico's turn. A red light flashes. Out of battery! Nico wails. Oh, their mum rushes to them. No more screen time. That night, their mum tells them a sunflower story and their room grows sunflowers. Nico forgets about his turn. One day, you will have a jungle of sunflowers. Finally, a little something peeps out from under the ground. Mum! Screams Jade and Nico. Oh, the sunflower jungle grows. Jade and Nico hide amongst the sunflowers. They have sunflower conversations and they talk a very special sunflower language. Smile, says their mum, taking their photo. Summer is here.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Kakite ano, we'll see you again. Tofa soy foi.